Hey guys, we got chocolate.
Yay!
Guys, this chocolate is really good.
Yeah, so is their label.
Yeah, I wonder where it's made.
We're here at Holly Label Company in Nicholson, PA.
I bought this business off my father about 20 years ago. The name of the company is Holly Label Company, and basically we produce labels and tags for a wide range of customers. Different manufacturers, people who produce candies, people who produce furnaces, people who produce hinges.
This is a bigger tool. This is just for putting a perf between the labels, or we can cut them into sheets. This is what is called a rotary cutting tool. We call it a die. It has blades in the shape of the labels that we're printing. And then what we do here is we take, after it's cut, we take the waste and strip the waste away.
My name is John Walker, and I am the Quality and Safety Manager, and I am also currently the Production Coordinator at Holly Label Company.
Yes, my name is David Badurka. My job title would just be press operator.
I am a pre-press technician and also marketing manager. I graduated from Marywood University with a bachelor's degree in fine arts for graphic design.
What's cool about it is we are making something it's hard to do, and a lot of people don't realize to do something consistently right is difficult.
Yeah, that was really great, yeah.
Yeah, that was really fun, guys.
Yeah, well now we know where the Gertrude Hawk label thingies were made.
Yeah, that was really fun.
Yeah, it was great. I really enjoyed that experience.
Yeah,
it was memorable.
That was fun.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.